shit exclusive.
Shorty said I'm naughty, fucking with my mask on. Get away from me, y'all some fucking red boys. We been thugging since we like this, you can ask my grandmom. Now they 30s give me sloppy cause they like my damn voice. Say she likes it when we fucking with my fire tracks on. I pipe it like I'm plumbing but I'm still unemployed. I've been hustling in my Reeboks and my Air Force. Clocky got a nigga looking like he hit the dance floor. Bitch told me I changed, I knock your ass off. Told that bitch I'm super sane, all I did was transform. Niggas talking funny till we pop with black Glocks. Then we hit him in his spine, knock a nigga dreads off. Have him running to the cops with his Nike pants off. He don't know who shot him, all he had was 10 shots. Shit, the pussy niggas lack sauce. I am the archaeologist, I used to sell rocks. I got 2 clocks on my hip for a hater and a knock. The pathologist will come before the medics and the cops. Blue, blue, don't step on my new shoes. Pop up with a deuce, deuce. Bitch, I got some loose screws. All my niggas woo. Fuck around with Bruce, you. Niggas been faking the same, I don't remember who's who. All your squad is foo-foo. I got pro and true too. Eating beats like good food. Kicks beyond some kung fu. Leaders of the new school. Niggas fall off too soon. I been had the juice way before the YouTube. Bitch, I'm later than the people who throw garbage on the ground. I got dealers and some killers, so I'm guarded all around. Saving food for thought for dinner, it's a garden in my mouth. I think Jesus, he delivered me from darkness to the crown. I'm still a mess, I'm losing focus, I need a leg. I got my hands in the mud, I'm where the piglets dwell. Shit, been capping a lot. The fuck? Y'all know we on some positive vibes this side. You know, we ain't on that murder shit. Dig? Yeah.